This is the lobby of the Hotel Indigo Union Station. It's very nice. All right, this is room 802 at the Hotel Indigo Union Station in Denver. Okay. This is a nice room and it's got a great view. We're right underneath the overhang here, and this is the top floor. So let's take a quick peek here at the amenities. There does not appear to be any power here at the end table here for the bed. It might be underneath because we've got something over here with a clock, so there's got to be a place where it's plugging in, but I don't know where it is. Down here somewhere. Yeah. Look at these little light switches. They're so cute. Anyway, I digress. So you've got this artwork. Interesting. And this is a nice looking room. We have a view of the stadium and other things, but yeah. And there's a railroad track because Union Station is very close. So we have on the desk, we have a very shallow drawer. You have, what do we have? We have USB and regular power. And is that the only power on the desk? Or is there some here? Oh, there must be some here. Oh, but it's through the little hole. Okay, so they give you a little coffee maker. And let's see. A little tiny fridge, which is slightly cooler than the ambient air, but only slightly. Now, let's take a look at the closets. Actually, coming in, you see we've got a nice little bench here and an area where you can just stage your stuff if you want. This is nice. All these cubbies. And then, of course, a floor-length mirror and a very sleek-looking iron and an ironing board, full-length hanging, and a shelf above. And then let's see, we've got digital thermometer, thermostat, whatever it's called. And here we have a couple of hooks, the hair dryer, got some power here, some amenities here and there, sink, an extra, well, that's not a, yeah, it's an extra towel, I guess. And look at the shower. This looks nice. That's helpful. We've got some more amenities, and you've got a nice shower area. So that's about it. Nice room. It'll do well.